Hello guys, it's me Shreyas Shimala and you're watching SJ400 Air unboxing in 2020. So let us open the package first and see what it is. We'll slowly remove the plastic cover which is on the box. Yeah, it's a very small process, but yeah, it gives a lot of satisfaction. So it just has a small kind of white package which has to be slid out and be removed. So now you can see the camera in its hole, and now you have to remove the box. Now you get to see a small accessory box and a camera above it. So let us see what accessories we get. So this is accessories box. So let us open the box and see what it is. Before opening the box, let us take a closer look at the camera and how it is. So this is inside the waterproof casing with a flat plate mount, which is pre-mounted in the sales package. So as you can see, that is how the camera will look with the double clasp, and yeah, that's what it looks like. So on the camera, it says 4K Wi-Fi, which is what I will explain to you later. So now let's open the accessories box and see what all do we get. So the first accessory which we are taking out is the J mount or the J buckle, which is used by a lot of motovloggers to keep on their helmet as a chin mount. The beauty of all these things is you can use them for multiple purposes. You can use them for anything. So let us keep the J mount aside and let us look at other accessories. Next accessory which we have are the two plates, which is a good thing, or else you have to buy the two of them separately. So one is a flat plate, as you can see, and the other one is a curved plate, as you can see on the picture right now. So the curved plate can be used for the curved surfaces, and the flat plate is generally used for flat surfaces. And the next two accessories are, one is a tripod mount, which has a nut under it, which can be used to fix on a tripod, which I'll be showing you. And this is a screw mount, which can be used on the flat plate for side mounting of the camera. So this is how the tripod mount can be used to mount the camera on a tripod. So let us keep the camera aside and let us go into the next accessory after we remove the mount from the tripod. So this is a flat extender. This looks as a very limited accessory, but when you actually use it, it does a lot of things and it makes life a lot easier than what you're thinking. So and the last accessory which we have is the 90-degree extender. This is only used when you have to turn the camera 90 degrees from the plate. So that is generally used for side mounting. And the last accessory is the cable, which can be used for transferring and other things. And we also get some SJ Cam stickers which you can use to apply on laptop, and we get a book. So that's it for the accessories. Now let me rearrange the accessories in a way so that we will have space for me to show you how the camera will work. So as it says on the front, it says 4K Wi-Fi. Let me just remove the flat mount from the camera. Let us keep it aside. And now we have the camera. So this is how it will look in its whole sole waterproof casing, which is rated 30 meters water resistant. Let us remove the waterproof casing from the camera. So this is the double clasp, so it protects. So as you can see here, one is locked from one side and the other side you lock it. So now we remove the back cover of the casing and we take out the camera. So this is a very close-up look of the camera. So now we peel off protection from the lens and the protection from the LCD screen. So now, as you can see on the front of camera, you're just having a power button and the lens. And on top, you have the OK button and a small LED light which is used while charging. And this is the LCD screen, just screen on the background. Mind you, it is not touch screen. And on the bottom, you have a battery case. Lot of reviews said that it is difficult, but I didn't find it very difficult to remove. So as you can see on the battery, it is 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery of 900 mAh, which is more or less enough for 1 hour of recording. So as you must note that it is a rectangle, it is a proper rectangle shaped battery, so you must be careful while inserting it and look at the contacts. So yeah, let us keep the battery inside and look at left side of the camera. So here you can see it has a HDMI port and a micro SD card slot and a micro USB slot. If you want, you can do a live recording. On the other side, you can see the up and down buttons here, and then let us try to switch on the camera and see if it actually turns on. And it didn't turn on, so I had to charge it for some time. So even after 10 minutes of charging, it didn't switch on. So let us get back to the table and let us go in Iron Man mode, which is actually using it while charging. So let me just keep the cable and let me just switch on the camera. So as you can see, the camera is on right now. This is currently shooting in 4K 30 FPS, but I highly recommend you to shoot at 1080 90 FPS. So you can press the power button and change the modes, and you can use the side buttons to move and OK to select. So as you can see, you can change the video resolution, you can use different kinds of recording, you can use time lapse, you can loop recording, and you can do different kind of stuff. So in the camera section, you can change the photo resolution and all sort of things, and all these are basic things which are available in basic cameras. So, and you can, in settings, the main feature is you can choose the timestamp and things like that. So let us look at a small time lapse of how the camera will perform, and I think the camera has performed in a very good way. And yeah, that's it for the video. These are all the contents which you will get inside the box. I'm SJ4000. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, I'll really appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching.